Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Learning a new language can be challenging, but with the right tools, you can master it in no time. So, let's dive right in. Hey there, sweetie. How was your day? Mama? Day fun. Play toys. Oh, that sounds amazing. Did you make any new friends at the park? Yes, Mama. Friend Sarah. We swing high. That's fantastic. You're such a brave little climber, just like your dad. Mama, where Daddy? Daddy is at work, darling. He's making sure we have everything we need. Daddy come home soon? Yes, sweetie. He'll be home just in time for dinner, and we'll all eat together. Guess what we're having tonight? Spaghetti! Yummy! You got it. And you know what else? We'll have some chocolate chip cookies for dessert. Love cookies. I know, darling. I love them too. Tomorrow, we can bake cookies together. How does that sound? Mama, bake cookies, yes? Great. We'll measure the ingredients, mix the dough, and make the most delicious cookies ever. You'll be a little chef. Me, chef cook. Mama, funny. You're right, silly. We always have so much fun together, don't we? Mama, love you. Oh, my dear. I love you too, all the way to the moon and back. Moon and back, Mama. Always, sweetheart. Now, let's go and finish that puzzle you were working on before dinner, okay? Yes, Mama, let's go. Keep practicing daily, and soon enough, you'll be a fluent English speaker. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming conversations and English speaking practice. That's right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.